Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the daily activity goals on this watch. So let's say you want to change the goals for your daily activities like steps, calories and stuff like that. To do it, first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the daily activity icon. It's this one with the circles. I tried to center it, but as you can see, it doesn't want to work with me. Come on, center itself. Oh no, okay, it won't work. Anyway, find this icon with the weird circles, and once you find it, tap on it to open the activity app. And here we have our activities, and if you want to adjust the goals for them, scroll all the way down. On the bottom you will see this button, adjust goals. Tap on it, and now we can adjust our goals. First we have steps, and you can tap on plus and minus to adjust them. Then tap next. Then we have the calories. Then we have next, workout minutes, then activity sessions. Come on. Oh, we can't increase above 12, okay. And then we can tap on done. And the goals should be adjusted. As you can see, it changed. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can always do this in the phone application, basically. So we can bring our phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera, okay, unlock the screen on our phone, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the OHealth application. Once the application opens, you can tap on daily activity, and here we have our activities, our goals. As you can see, we have steps, calories, workout and stuff like that. And to adjust the goals, you can tap on more options icon, set goals, and then you can tap on steps, for example, adjust it, tap save, calories, adjust it, tap save, workout, adjust it, tap save, and the same for the sessions, and tap on save. And once you're done, the goals should be applied in your app, and if you open the activities app on your watch, it also should be applied. And that's how you change the daily activity goals on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.